Quantum is here. What does it mean for stocks? Well, I'm going to look at individual stocks going forward, but we're certainly not going to have a punt on them. And what do I mean by quantum is here? Well, in pharmaceuticals, quantum computing has already started and delivered results. If you look at Onco Innovations and Coano, they've launched quantum-ready drug discovery pilots, which are focused on quantum molecular analytics to deeply characterize how therapeutic molecules interact with various targets for the next generation of oncology compounds, which can surpass the results of classical-only methods. In other words, cure for cancer. That's what quantum computing is working on, as you'd expect. In Geneva, a consortium including CERN, you'll have heard of them, very clever people, and Rolex, they're deploying Geneva Quantum Network. It's a city-scale quantum communication spine which uses existing fiber to secure communications and a variety of meteorological experiments as well. These are actually happening right now. In New Mexico, ABQNet has launched the first open access entanglement-based quantum network facility in the US. They've got state backing. They're creating infrastructure for startups. Could quantum be in 2026 what AI was in 2025? Could this be the thing which is going to accelerate things? My view has always been, rather than go for the small company nobody's heard of, in the hope it goes up tenfold, but most likely crashes and burns, I'd rather let the big companies that I'm invested in work out how to use quantum, because they're sitting around their board. Right now, Microsoft is sitting around its board trying to work out how to make the most out of quantum and generate those returns. So the fact that my Alphabet holding went up 60% over the last 12 months is because I didn't have to work out an AI solution. They do. You might as well 60% is not enough. I want 600 Alpesh. That's punting. That's gambling. I don't want that. I'd rather have the safer name give me a steady return than the unsafe name having an increased likelihood of going bust instead. Now, during the course of the year, on TikTok, on YouTube, on my private Telegram channel, my public Telegram channel as well, I will discuss more specific quantum computing companies and what they're doing, quantum computing and nuclear fusion, as well as, of course, AI and specific stocks. But I'm not just going to mention some tiny little penny share in the hope it'll explode upwards. That would be irresponsible. And more likely than not, overall, if you did 10 of those investments, you'll probably end up with a lower return than I got on my Alphabet and my Goldman Sachs over the last 12 months. So we're going to look at it in a sensible way to say, well, which are the best brains we can hire to make us money? And those best brains might be at Goldman Sachs, and as a shareholder, I expect they are, or at JP Morgan, and so on. So if you've liked this video and like to see more of that, do follow, do like, because it'll go to more people. The algorithm sends it to more people. If it goes to more people, I'll do more of these for free. So you'll get them for free. Those other people will get them for free. I'll continue doing them for free because I know I'm not talking to an empty room. Most importantly, please have a look at the link in the bio or alpeshpatel.com, and you'll find a ton of free tools and resources there as well. If you've liked it, please comment and let me know. If you've not, let me know anyway, because I know not to do so many of these. Either way, your comments will help the algorithm that TikTok and YouTube use to send the video to more people out there in the quantum verse. Thank you.